Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make the tech robot change the directions left or right. And to do this you need to grab the joystick that the robot comes with. There's 4 different buttons for directions. We have the left on the left side, right on the left side, and then left on the right side, and right on the right side, and left on the right side. Okay, so when you see all of those buttons, you can first try to click that one, which will rotate it just a bit, and the same if you click on the right one. Then these 2 buttons will basically make it kind of walk to the left or right direction. As you can see, he makes more advanced moves when you click on those buttons instead. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.